To determine birthday of person, you need to know birth date of that person. For example, the birth date of that person is October 17, 1987. So to determine birthday of that person in 2019, first active this cell. Click formula bar, type equal sign, type date function. Open bracket, type year argument. Now nest the today function within date function. Open bracket, type today function. Open and close brackets. Again close brackets, enter comma. Type second argument month. Open bracket, click this cell. Close bracket, enter comma. Now type third argument day. Open bracket, click this cell, close bracket. Again close bracket, press enter. You have person birthday October 17, 2019. Active this cell. How this formula works? Date function returns day value from birth date, month value from birth date, and year value from current date. At the end, date function returns date value in a cell. In this way, you can determine person's birthday.